Guys, welcome to Milos Island. Guys, we're currently on the way to Klima Beach, which is a little fishing village here in Milos. It's not too far away, it's only about a 5-minute drive in the car from where we're staying. But before we get there, if you guys are looking to come here to Milos, I strongly suggest hiring yourself a car because there's not too many options to get around if you don't have your own transport. There's a lot of people here, they have their four-wheel drive or their little four-wheel RVs or their scooters, and the roads here are extremely narrow to the point where I'd probably say 80% of the street can't hold more than 2 cars, so you have to actually wait for the car to come past before you can actually go down the road, which is interesting.
Clint's still adjusting to driving on the opposite side of the road and also driving manual, which has been a few years since he's done that. So
I think I'm doing okay. I've only
doing really well.
I've only stored it, what, 3-4 times?
At least 10 times.
No, not 10.
No, he's doing really well. But yeah, combine that with like the conditions of the roads and the skinny roads as we go through some of the towns. Yeah. It's been interesting, but you definitely need your own transportation. I would recommend it. They do have a public transport system, I think, but it's not I don't think the buses are fantastic, so yeah, you can just get around in your own terms really if you've got your own transport.
So this side of the island is a lot quieter than the other side of the island, but wow, it's actually really nice down this side.
Yeah, it was a little bit trickier to access. It was like a big skinny road.
And you had to come down this massive hill.
Yes.
But once you get down here, it's definitely worth it because that is beautiful. Look at this. Look at that. That is nice. It's out of something like a Greek romance postcard or something like that, or a Greek romance movie. Look at that. See the little boats out there as well. 100 meters offshore. Nice little restaurant here. Really good to come down, have a drink for sunset. Whoa. How good is this?
It's like the little fishing village.
They've got these little shacks. Or they wouldn't say they're shacks, they're like little fishing houses.
Fishermen's houses.
Fishermen's houses.
Yeah.
Do you know what they actually do remind me of, these little fishermen houses? They remind me of the little beach shacks that they have in Melbourne.
Beach boxes, yeah, in Brighton.
Yeah. They're worth a lot. They're worth like $300,000 or $400,000 in Melbourne. They've got these, they're like 2 meters by 2 meters. They are tiny. They're these little boxes. They're in Brighton in Melbourne on the beach.
These are like little houses though. I think you can actually stay, like there's accommodation in some of them. There's little cafe type things in some of them.
That would be so nice, going to sleep with that sound.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Just the water hitting the rocks all night. Beautiful.
Very nice.
Definitely worth it. Do you reckon it's worth coming down here?
For sure.
100%.
It's a different side of, Milos, I feel. A little bit quieter. Definitely worth visiting.
Guys, we're just heading down to Sarakiniko Beach, and this beach here is extremely popular here in Milos because it's got some really interesting rock formations, and with the rock formations it's got a cliff that it's really popular for people to jump off, and you got your shallow cliff where you can jump off, but then you've got the really high cliffs. I doubt whether I'm actually going to jump off the cliff because last time I jumped off a cliff was in Croatia and I almost blew out my eardrum, so I'm extremely hesitant. Steph, it's all on you.
I'm maybe going to do it. I might chicken out last minute though. We'll see.
Okay, so we've got 2 sides of this beach. We've got the main side, and that's where everybody is essentially just sunbaking. Right, Steph?
Yeah, it's like a little inlet from the sea and seems to be quite protected from the wind as well.
So everyone's just chilling there.
Yeah, everyone's just
relaxing.
It's a really nice vibe.
Yeah, but what we're going to do is we're going to keep moving around because on the other side is why we came here. The other side is where we're going to jump off the cliff face. But these rock formations,
Incredible.
what is it? Was it limestone?
I have no idea, but it definitely looks like
It's so bright out here, but it is so bright out here because the sun is reflecting the rocks are reflecting the sun.
Yeah.
And even with these sunglasses, I'm like squinting and glaring.
It's really beautiful though. It's nothing we've ever seen before.
Nice, it is. Nice. And here we are. You ready, Steph? This is the cliff where everybody's jumping off. That is actually a lot higher than I thought it was going to be. That's going to be at least, what, 30, I don't know, what, 20, 30 metres?
It looks very high.
But what you can do is you can go, you can go a lot shorter, but then as the rock surface goes up, obviously the jump is a lot higher. Alright, Steph, we doing this? Who's going to go first? Me or you? I'll go first. Do you want me to go first?
Okay.
I'll go first. I'm not going from the top though. I'll just go from like
Yeah, start small.
I don't want to.
Don't go all out.
No.
Don't
Okay.
burst your eardrum in the first go.
All right. Let's head up there. This is seriously so much higher than what it looks once you get up here, but it's got to be done. How was it?
Sorry,
How was it?
fine. Yeah. It looks high. It's actually not when you jump.
Here we go.
You can do it.
Wasn't actually too bad. It's actually,
Well done, babe.
it's actually not too bad.
He only stood there for at least 40 minutes. No,
I'll cut that out though, so it looks like I just jumped straight in.
He's contemplating his life before he jumped. I was like, let's go.
Alright, your turn.
I'm scared.
You'll be alright, go. How'd you go? Man, I'm telling you guys, jumping off these cliffs are a lot more dangerous than what it makes out to be. Exhibit A, Stephanie.
Yeah, I think I've hurt my ear from that jump. It's very sore.
I think it's just when you jump in and then the changing pressure, it can like
Yeah.
blow out your...
I got so much water up my nose as well.
Yeah, I heard...
It wasn't a great... I also screamed really loudly.
I heard you scream. I didn't know whether I got that. As soon as
Slightly
you jumped, it was like a little...
embarrassing.
And everyone on the cliff started laughing. A little scream.
I don't know where it came from. It just
Came out.
came out as I was jumping into the water. Yeah, it was good, but yeah, my ear is definitely sore.
I don't think we have to do it again because
Done it once.
tempting. If we're tempting fate to keep on doing it.
Yeah. Maybe once.
Go on, do one more. morning here in Milos, and today I will be known as Captain Clinton. The reason why I'll be known as Captain Clinton is because we're hiring out a boat. The reason why we're going to hire out a boat is because we want to try and access a whole lot of areas on Milos Island that you can't access by car, beaches, little coves. So we're going to do that. Got 6 hours?
Yeah, 6 hours.
6 hours with this boat. So we've already organised lunch. We've gone to the grocery store. We're going to have some lunch on the boat, and we're just going to spend the day relaxing and just exploring areas of the island that you can't access by boat. Clinton, nice to meet you. Okay, good news, I passed my test. So he gave me a bit of a test to make sure that I knew how to drive the boat, went through all the safety precautions, made sure I could drop the anchor, and good news, I passed with flying colours. Now we can sail the 7 seas with Stephanie as my navigator. Where are we going next, Steph? Where's our first stop?
We are heading to Klima Beach, which is one of the beaches that you can't access via car. Yeah, it's supposed to be one of the most popular locations to visit in Milos. It's about a 30-minute or so boat ride, although we're going at a very slow pace right now, so possibly 40 to 45 minutes. Yeah, we'll go check that out now.
We'll pick it up.
Yeah, we'll go check it out now.
Okay, so we just made our way to our first stop, and how'd you go on the way over here, Steph? Because I know Steph was freaking out. It was a little bit rough on the seas, the open seas. How'd you go?
Yeah, it was just a bit bumpy, a bit windy. Just got saturated, that's all. But we made it, which is good.
It's a really popular spot though.
Yeah.
Very popular. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boats all around us.
Yeah.
We're very close. We're very close together.
Yeah, and I was a bit stressed about the anchoring situation. So
I think our anchor's held though.
yeah, just don't want to drift into any other boats. But it's a really beautiful spot. It's right, Sarakiniko Beach or Sarakiniko Caves.
Caves, I think.
Yeah.
Because it's
Yeah.
got all the limestone rock formations around here. But no, it's looking good. I reckon we'll jump out, get some food, jump out, and you know what we don't have? We don't have our snorkels. Would have been good to get some snorkels. A lot of people around here have their snorkels. Go on, Steph.
Ooh.
The water looks so nice. It's so blue.
Okay, I'm going.
How is it?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Is it actually nice?
Yeah. It was so nice.
Yeah, it looked it.
Bit tiring. I haven't done a swim like that in a while.
You went all the way over there.
Yeah, I was going to go into the cave and then it's like dark water. And I was like, I'm going to come back now. Are you going to go for a swim?
Yeah, I'll go shower.
Now, for those that don't know this, Clinton has a fear of sharks because he grew up in Perth and there's a lot of sharks there. But whenever we go on holidays, he freaks out.
Don't freak out.
He freaks out about having to go into the water, or he just is a bit hesitant to. So, you know, it's going to be very big if Clint jumps in the water and goes for a swim longer than 2 minutes in the water. Let's go, Clinton.
Look. Oh, crazy. Oh, that's enough.
Did I tell you guys?
Okay, second stop of the day. I think this is actually our last stop, and this is called Sarakiniko Bay. And look at that blue water, amazing. And what we're going to do here is we're going to set up, have some lunch. We've pre-made some stuff. We've got some buns, we've got some cheese, we've got some tomatoes, and we've got some snacks. What more do you want? Beautiful day in Greece, boat, sitting on the water, and having some lunch. I think I'll even jump in the water here.
Oh, how long for though? Can you beat your record of 30 seconds?
I'll jump back in.
You have to, when the water's this colour. And this beach here is also one that you can't access via a car. You can tell by how steep the cliff is. But there's just this little beach there. There's a few kayaks set up there. Yeah, plenty of space. We're not crowded by all the other boats as well. So yeah, it's a good spot.
I think that was the problem with our last spot, is by the time we left, there was what?
A lot of boats, yeah.
10 to 12 boats, and it was just getting really, really packed, really busy there. So we decided to move on to this spot, find a secluded spot, have some lunch, and relax
chill.
a little.
We want to read our books. We just want to chill here for a bit and not have to worry about if our boat is going into another boat, which was my big worry at the other one.